Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. Today we're going to talk about multiple things. Um, well, I have some minis here that I'm going to show you what I'm going to be actually painting this month. We start priming them hopefully tonight. Video will be up Monday or Tuesday for it. I'll have shorts of the updates for it as well. I just realized that these minis that I have in my hands, this one's made in 1979. This very small mini. I did not know this was. I thought this was a little bit earlier, but this is a pewter piece. It's made in 1979. I have a whole bunch of these that my teacher gave me. This is 1979. You can barely see the puncture mark of it. This is 1978, I think. Yeah, these are 1978 for the minis as well. So I am going to acetone a lot of these small ones that we have, and I am actually going to have to brush it and clean it out from these old paint. And I think these old paints are lead. This is 1979. Some of them were 1978. I think I might find some as 1970. This is 79. So if I clean them really good and put new bases on them, this one doesn't say anything. But it has a proof mark in the bottom for this old pewter wizard. And I think this is actual lead too, because the weight is way different than this one. Basically the same. And it needs a touch up. These are my old high school teachers mini. Um, Remember, I was in high school in 2003 to 2007. So he gave these to me because I lost a lot. I thought I lost a lot of stuff from the house because due to the fire on my D&D stuff for it. He was nice enough to give these to me. I have a whole bunch of them. I have like weights and weights of them. So I am gonna be printing out new bases for these to put on because they're because sometimes they're top heavy and they knock over easily. So I need a nice little round cylinder base for stability for it as well. And if you do like and enjoy it, subscribe, like, and share to channel. Check out our Patreon Discord. And I gotta clean the bottom base off. See, it's because I can't have this plastic base on acetone always gonna melt. So I need to figure out a way. Oh, there we go. That came out pretty good. Probably because the glue is really old. This is 1987 Elf Ranger right here. That I'm going to be cleaning up, painting up, and giving him a new life. We have a lot of dwarves for it. I was thinking about some type of a dwarven thing. Oh, this one's mine that I bought a while ago. But some of them are my old teachers that uh, Mr. Steiner gave me due to 2018 and during the Reading fire. So this is something I want to do for November. And I do have some resin ones I did print it that it should be painted as well. So we'll get these painted as well with a lot of these things. I will, separate. I'll prime them all, then I'll separate them. Oh, this is from WizKids, so I'll be repainting some of the WizKids miniatures as well. Like a lot of WizKids miniatures are just pretty damn bad. Just letting you know for it as well. But new bases, new fresh painted coat. Uh, back then how you paint back then, you paint now is just totally different. To tell you the truth for that as well, but these will look a lot nicer. It'll pop a lot better as well. Clean and will be able to be used to play for it as well. And I'll probably be using these for the Mythicon on March for it. But that aside, I do want to talk about Neon Skies playtest I did yesterday. It was an okay game. It's a success and a fail type game. You roll certain amount of d6s due to your traits and your body, soul, and stuff like that. It's like the D20 version of Star Wars, but instead of D20, it's D6s for it, but it's a success or fail. So if you have 1 6 and you're like certain amount of D6s you roll, it's a success. If you don't have no 6 to roll, it's a fail. So that was a kind of a unique thing to do for that as well. I gotta find this guy. I want to talk more about it this week if you guys are interested. But he's gonna have a Kickstarter out. I know there's a free PDF for it. I do want to play test here and print out some Cyberpunk minis for it and try it out over here at the house as well. But yeah, this is. I got stuff ready for it. I have to put this over here. Give me a sec. I don't really edit stuff for it. Christmas stuff. I've got a 3D print. It's gonna be the whole Krampus set from Arch Villain from last Christmas that I am pretty much going to do. So there'll be priming this week. I think there'll be 2 STL prints, 1 or 2 painting videos. I hopefully, and a couple of the reviews of the playtest I have played. I gotta get stuff written and set up for Mythicon that I will DM so I can get them for free. I'm gonna have to pay for Ashley, so and store for Etsy as well. And I gotta get stuff ready, early stuff, written stuff out ready for Christmas. And if you guys don't know about Christmas, I dress up as a very mean Santa Claus and read dumb comments that people make and make fun of them wearing a Santa Claus outfit. So, yeah. I don't think I did it last year, but I might do it this year again. I gotta see. I gave my Santa suit away, so I gotta buy a brand new Santa suit. I might pimp it out with some, jewels and shit like that. I really don't know. This channel, it's like a hobby and stuff. I am going to be moving all of this pretty soon. Once I get a table from Amazon, hopefully by the end of this month, I'll bring it next month. The whole scenery is going to change. I'll be in a small little room up on my bedroom due to my mobility problem for it, and we'll be working our way around there as well. It's just, try to get stuff done. I have a lot of appointments, doctor's appointments to go through and take care of as well. But I know you guys are waiting patiently. The secondary channel will have all the Persona 5 Royal for the Switch be released by tonight. God of War will be live streamed on that channel because I don't have it in this room. I only have one PS5 and it's in the living room right now that I can actually live stream to my secondary channel as well. Well, anyhow, guys, thank you guys for your support. Check out the Etsy, the Patreon, Discord. Subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day, guys. Bye.